Hello, guys, and welcome to episode 2 of how to read candlestick patterns and how to understand the technical analysis. Okay, so इस वीडियो में हम बुलिश इनगल्फिंग एंड बेरिश इनगल्फिंग के जो पैटर्न्स हैं वो कवर करने वाले. दीज आर सम ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पैटर्न्स, okay, and one of the most basic pattern in technical analysis. But I'll tell you one secret about this pattern is key. This pattern, when giving a closing above or below, can prove to be a significant move, okay? And I'm telling you this with personal experience. I'm telling you this because I've seen it in the charts. I'm telling you this because I have already traded in these kind of patterns as well, okay? And this pattern is so important that you guys, I think, should be able to write down that where it will close, how it will close, and how this pattern is formed in the charts, okay? How it's important. If you're trading in bank nifty, if you're trading in nifty, this pattern is one of the most important patterns. If you're trading with stocks, if you're taking a swing trade or positional trade, these patterns are very important, okay? So without wasting any time, let's move on with this video. And guys, I'm telling you, if you're writing it down, that's the best thing you can do. So let's go and let's begin with the video. Alright guys, so what we're going to talk about is bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, okay? Bullish engulfing, keeping it in simple words, it happens before an uptrend is starting, okay? And bearish engulfing, you can assume or you can say that it ends the trend, okay? Probably it takes a reversal from that. Like agar sudden downfall aaya, then you can see you can see a bullish engulfing from there and take a reversal, okay? Or it has gone towards an extreme uptrend and then udhar jaake it has made a bearish engulfing and then it starts falling down. So this pattern is very important. मैं पहले भी बोल रहा हूँ, अगर even if you have heard about this pattern, I'm going to talk more about the insight की कैसे आप identify कर सकते हैं and what are the important points that you need to consider while seeing the charts की this is a bullish engulfing or this is a bearish engulfing. So let's move on over here.
Okay guys, so what I'm going to talk about is going to be very important. So मैं बोलूँगा कि I highly consider you guys noting this down, क्योंकि मैंने जब चालू किया था, even I noted it down and I observed these patterns for a long time and then I understood कि कैसे how it works. Okay, so let's go with the bullish candle first. Okay, bullish engulfing. So very simple कि the green candle completely engulfs मतलब it completely takes in the red candle, okay? So what the important thing about bullish engulfing over here is that it doesn't take the wick inside, it just takes the whole body of the candle, okay? You need to understand जब भी एक bullish engulfing होता है, and also one more thing, that the green candle is always on the right side, okay? Understand that. I'll tell you why in the next video itself. You'll understand ki why you need to realize that it's very important ki in a bullish engulfing candle, the green candle is on the right side and the red candle is on the left side, okay? So obviously ये एक very high amount of buying हुई है इधर, so the candle is very powerful, and what you can see is from a downtrend it makes this pattern and then takes a reversal, okay? So that's why it's very important to understand this, and especially if you're an intraday trader, these candles keep on repeating a lot on 30 minutes, on 15 minutes, or maybe on 5 minutes as well, okay? Let's understand the bullish engulfing first of all. So the green candle completely takes the body, okay? Body, this is the body, these are the wicks. ये जो you can see these two lines up and down, these are wicks, okay? Obviously in the picture right now you can see that the wick is also covered, but usually you don't consider the wicks inside this body, okay? So this body should completely get engulfed inside this whole body, okay? Then it'll be called a bullish engulfing, okay? The bullish candle obviously closes way above its opening, okay? But what you need to remember is that the green candle is always on the right side and the bear candle, which is the red candle, will always be on the left side, okay? And another thing to note is that the length, as it's written over here, the length of the bullish candle engulfs the previous red candle. This is the previous red candle, it completely engulfs. The body is completely engulfed. मतलब body जो है, ये जो red आपको पूरा दिख रहा है, that completely gets inside. वो पूरा it covers it, you can say. Okay, when you compare two candles, वो पूरा cover करता है. That's how you get a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, now let's go to bearish. Bearish candle, it's the exact opposite. Exact opposite. Nothing different about it, but exactly the opposite thing. Either the red candle is way bigger than the green candle, but the body of the green candle, okay, again the body of the green candle is completely engulfed. मतलब पूरा जो body है green candle का, it completely gets submerged inside the red candle. So the length of the bearish candle engulfs the previous green candle. ये कब देखने को मिल सकता है? When it's obviously on a very high trend या फिर एक major resistance पे. You can see this kind of pattern being formed, and you can go short from this. These are some of the most simple candlestick patterns, but I tell you, many traders use this candlestick pattern as a very big warning sign to sell or to short sell, or according to their strategic plan, like they want to book their profit or anything. Okay, so you guys need to remember this. 1 minute time frame पे it's very difficult. Okay, I would say it's very difficult क्योंकि हर एक मिनट के बाद एक कैंडल फॉर्म होती है, वो शायद थोड़ी ऊपर रहेगी, थोड़ी नीचे रहेगी, and that's why it's very hard to analyze on a 1 minute candlestick, on a 1 minute time frame. But the same thing, if you do it on 30 minutes or 15 minutes, then it'll be very easier for you guys to identify. Okay, so let's revisit bullish engulfing and then come to bearish engulf. Bullish engulfing, again, step 1, remember that the green candle is always on the right side, the red candle on the left side. The body of the candle is completely submerged inside the green candle. Okay, then come to bearish candle. Okay, bearish engulfing. The red candle is on the right side, the green candle is on the left side. The red candle completely engulfs, or the whole green candle is submerged inside the red candle, and that's how you get bearish engulfing. So of course, in intraday, in positional, in swing trading, these are very important candlestick patterns. आपको बहुत जगह पे मिलेगा, and these candlestick patterns are so important. And I'll show you good examples also कि किधर से ऐसे trend reversal आया है, या फिर एक support लेके it has gone up, or it has faced a resistance and it has fallen down. Okay, so let's go over here to our Upstox account, and yeah, let's pick any stock. Okay, I'm not going to do it like way before, so that you guys can understand कि किधर से engulfing pattern. Oh, very nice. Here, there we go, engulfing. There we go. That's it. Okay, if I can zoom it. Okay, let's take it. So you see these patterns are like right there in front of your eyes. Okay, but many people, and I agree, many people find it very hard to even identify these patterns. Okay, so these can, okay, let's just remove this. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, focus only on this. Okay, so now what is this candle? Again, what is this candle over here? This is a complete green candle. The next candle is getting like completely powerful. मैंने क्यों बोला था the wicks are not important in this? Because this pattern does not it is not working with the wicks. वो एक completely different pattern है, that I'll tell you in the next episode itself. Okay, but let's focus on this one right now. So the red candle, the body of this red candle, okay, the body of this red candle is completely getting submerged inside the green candle. Okay, and okay, sorry, just a second. Yeah, and you can see कि एक a very strong reversal came from these levels itself. एक strong reversal आया, एक bullish engulfing आया, and it has touched a great high. Okay, 440 का high touch किया है SBI ने. Okay, so I just found it out, like I just looked at the chart and I saw it over there, and there we go. That's the importance of these kind of candles as well. Okay, so how is this candle formed, how is this candle, to be understood. Now I'll tell you how you guys can actually take it in the market. Okay, now many people focus on these things. Okay, क्योंकि आपको okay over here, no, this is completely different pattern, that's a completely different pattern. Okay, so if you can see over here, when should you start buying is above these levels. Okay, एक मिनट आपको दे देता हूँ. Yeah, above the high of this candle, this previous candle. Okay, focus on this previous candle के high के ऊपर आपको बाय करना है. सो बेसिकली एट दीज लेवल्स एक अच्छा रीटेस्ट मिला एंड देन बैक टू एन अप ट्रेंड. ओके, बैक टू एन अप ट्रेंड. वो सिंपल प्राइस एक्शन है, ठीक है, सिंपल टेक्निकल एनालिसिस है, सिंपल पैटर्न बनाया. ओके, एंड इट शोड ऑल्सो, इट रिस्पेक्टेड दैट ऑन डेली, especially on daily. It's a very strong signal. Okay, now when can this candle fail, I'll tell you that also. Okay, when can this candle fail is कि जब आपको ये closing है ना, if it opens below this or something, then that's not good, because then the candle has completely failed. Okay, and I'm telling you क्योंकि आपको मार्केट में ऐसे बहुत सारे मिलेंगे candlesticks pattern 30 minute पे 15 minute पे, and they keep on making, like if you're an intraday trader, it keeps on building. लेकिन आप daily पे देखोगे, then you'll have to wait for another day, then you'll have to see कि किधर open हुआ, and then you can start buying. That's the importance, of patience as well. Okay, so अगर candle इस let's say इस low पे open होती थी, like let's say it breaks this low, the candle's low, then it failed, the pattern has been failed. So ये बहुत बार होता है मार्केट में, बहुत बार होता है कि the candlestick pattern is being made and you don't start buying, like rushing into buying. You wait for another candlestick कि अगर इसके ऊपर close होता है, then only you start buying. जब आपको अच्छे से volumes दिखते हैं, इधर देखो, like there has been complete buying over here, some retest, and then it started buying again. जैसे ही retest वापस खत्म हो गया, and then the buying signal has improved. Okay, so this is a very important pattern because many traders use it, and it's it's like a daily thing that they use it also, and they say it also कि ये बहुत important pattern है, इसको कभी भी miss out मत करना. Okay, so we understood this bullish engulfing, and now let's go to a stock, let's say Aishno Motors. Okay, all Aishno Motors. Okay, so yeah, this has taken a recovery from these levels. एक अच्छा सा morning, yeah. Okay, there we go. This we identified another one. This is exactly what I'm talking about कि कैसे आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, आपके पैटर्न्स कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. हाउ इज इट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि इफ यू कैन सी एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम दिस, रिस्पेक्टिंग ऑल द लेवल्स, इट हैज टेकन अ वेरी वेरी डीप फॉल. और अगर मैं मेजर करूँ कि like suppose a person has bought from these levels, 20% का fall आया है. So if you guys know कि इधर से एक serious, there can be a serious fall and you're getting an early indication with the pattern itself, get out of that stock, book your profit and get out of that stock. That's how you have to work with it. If you're swing trading also, if you're doing monthly trading, that's comes into swing trading, or if you're into intraday trading as well. Okay, so let's focus on not these three, sorry, these two candles. Okay, ये जो candle दिख रहे हैं आपको, I'll have to make it again because I don't want to confuse you guys कि कौन से तीन candle or anything. Just focus on these two candles. Okay, ये दो candle में आपको क्या दिख रहा है? Okay, the body, this body is completely engulfed, okay, or completely submerged inside the red candle के body में. Okay, leave the wick. The wick is not important in bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. Okay, now how do you know, okay, कि आपको किस point पे sell करना पड़ेगा? Okay, when the next candle closes below this low, अगर इधर से एक बाउंस बैक मिलता है, then it's a fail कि ये pattern is not important and it's going up itself. Okay, so when is it important to know that it's going to fall? It is obviously at these levels. जब ये candle का low जो है, previous candle का जो low है वो break करता है, that time you see this, then you can immediately sell it. Okay, you have to wait for another day or you have to wait for another 15 minutes कि किधर closing देती है candles and किधर से आपको sell करना है. That's how you have to be patient enough as well. Okay, no trader or no investor has got, I'm telling you this very, very, very frankly and very, very brutally, no one can buy from this tip and sell at this tip. Okay, whoever is telling you that कि जो ये tip से buy करके ये tip पे sell कर रहा है, he's not even investing, leave investing, he's not even trading also. Okay, you will always miss out on this high or anything, because that's how you have to book your profits as well, and that's how you're being sensible, you're protecting your capital, you're protecting the upside also, you're protecting your own target as well. So this is the important part कि जब ये कैंडल के लो को ब्रेक करता है, that's when you get a signal कि अच्छा ठीक है, now I have to start selling this stock or this option or this future or anything. Okay, so again bearish engulfing में क्या हुआ कि the whole green candle is getting submerged inside the red candle. Okay, then another second confirmation, how do you take? जब ये previous candle है, basically this red candle, okay, you can see this red candle is getting broken the next day or after 2 days or anything. If it's respecting this level and then later on it breaks, then it's time for you to sell. Okay, then it's time for you to identify another stock, get into another stock. But I'll tell you why. Okay, it's better to book a profit at these levels rather than getting a loss at these levels. Okay, so it's very important for you guys to understand. हाँ, you can say कि इधर से एक up move आया है वापस and all of that, but then see, what you have to do is not predict the market. Okay, you have to prepare for what's the worst situation that can happen. You have to prepare for what's the worst situation, what's the next worst situation that can happen, and that's how I'm going to prepare. अच्छा, इधर से एक pattern बना है bullish bearish engulfing का. Okay, I'm going to wait for another day. अगर इधर closing देता है, then the third day I'll start selling. Okay, that's how you have to be a smart investor, smart trader. You have to learn these kind of things and you have to identify. That's why I'm taking out these episodes every week, because I want you guys to identify it in the market. I want you guys to, like, you know, play by the market, understand by the market, write it down कि हाँ इधर से pattern बन रहा है, I'm going to wait another day. अच्छा, okay, this is respecting. Okay, this is a failed breakout. Okay, this is giving a early signal कि no, I should pull it out, or this is giving a early signal. Okay, I should start buying. That's how you become an investor. That's how you become a proper technical analyst as well. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, and I'm telling you guys, if you guys have written it down, you guys are doing a great job over here. But if you guys haven't, you guys can go back to the video, go back again, write it again, okay, understand it again, and then apply it on those charts. Okay, as my mentor used to say, okay, he used to tell me he taught me all this technical analysis. He gave me those sheets, he gave me everything, and he told me, when you're in your bedroom or when you're in your room, cover it up so that every day you see, अच्छा, this is bullish engulfing, अच्छा, this is bearish. ये एक दिन का काम नहीं रहता. You have to keep on practicing, कि you have to keep on identifying कि अच्छा इधर pattern बन रहा है, okay, this is that. So you have to keep on identifying. That's how he said, like, that's why many times you guys can see कि my whole board is filled with patterns. Okay, because I'm still learning. I'm always ready for more. I'm always ready to learn more, and I'm always like, okay, fine, probably this is my mistake. Acha, idhar se bearish engulfing. Sometimes you can also forget ki idhar se, you know, closing diya, then you can start selling. If you're in panic selling, you just start selling, and then probably this is a failed breakout and then goes up again. So that's what you have to watch out for as well. Okay, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll just meet you in the outro right now.
Alright guys, so I hope this video has helped you even a little bit or even a lot. Then just subscribe to the channel, like this video if you really liked it, and if you want to introduce it to all of your friends who are new in the stock market, who don't know technical analysis or candlestick patterns, then you can of course share it to them. But I'm telling you guys कि ये बहुत important pattern है. I'm pressurizing, so like I'm giving so much importance to this pattern is because Bank Nifty में this pattern plays such an important role. Okay, it plays such an important role in 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and that helps you identifying कि अच्छा इधर से एक reversal आने वाला है. There's going to be strong buying, there's going to be strong selling. And yeah, I agree that sometimes even I have missed that opportunity, because I'm going to be very brutally honest with you कि कभी कभी होता है when you're trading, when you're sitting over here, it's a very boring job to sit and then identify everything. Okay, it's honestly, it's very boring over here to sit down and just see. Sometimes you miss out on it. So always learn from that. Always be aware. Always focus on your on the charts as well. If you're an intraday trader, positional trader हो, देखो daily पे कि अच्छा क्या कैसे perform कर रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. If you're a monthly trader, check on the monthly charts, check ki how the patterns are being formed, and this is very important for you guys to learn as well. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys haven't liked the video right now, just like it. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then subscribe. And if you guys really loved the video, if you guys really want to share it to someone else, then share it as well. Okay, see you guys next week. And if you guys are watching 5k to 50k, see you on Monday. Bye.